In this video I am going to explain you how to add the ratings bar in our Android app. So let's get started with Android tutorials of rating bar. So first of all we are going to create a new project. So I had already created it to save our time. So first we have to open our Android Studio, then click on new and new project. After we are going to click on empty activity, next, and give your application name and write your package name. After we have to click on finish. So we are going to create this type of empty project. After we will find with hello world text in our activity underscore design. So we are going to remove it. But first of all we are going to change our constraint layout to be relative layout so that we can do our design properly. So we are writing relative layout, and now it's time to erase our text view and write our own text view. So here I am going to write text view, and the width will be wrap content, height also wrap content, and we are going to give it text that is Android tutorials by channel name, but later we are going to change it from ratings, or we are going to write a next text view. So here I am writing Android tutorials, and here we are going to give its color. So text color is black, obviously. After that we are going to give its text size. So text size is 40 sp, not dp sp. After that we have to give its id. So id will be title or Android, title underscore Android. After that we are going to close that, and remember to extract in the string resources. So we have to click on that and click on OK. After we are going to copy this same line of code, and then here we are going to write that same code but change its sp. So its size will be 36 sp, and this will be ratings. So I am writing text rating. After we are going to give its text, it is random, so we are not going to change it. Then we are going to give its below. So layout below to title Android. So you can see that we got that. After we are going to set its gravity of our root layout. So layout gravity, or let's write gravity to be center. So we will find all text into center. So changing this from gravity. So now you can see that all things are in center, and also give gravity here, and now here we are going to change it from center horizontal, and here also gravity, that is center horizontal. So we got our text to center. Now we are going to implement our rating bar. So write rating bar, and then give its width to wrap content, and then its height also wrap content. Then we are going to give its layout gravity. So layout gravity will be, so here I am going to write gravity of our layout. So gravity is not implementing now. So let's give its margin. So its margin will be 36 dp. After we are going to give its id, that is rating bar. We are going to set it to below the text ratings, and after that we are going to step size. So here we are going to write num stars, where we are going to give it how many stars we want. But first let's implement step size, and after that we are going to give its num star. So first text step size will be 0.5 and num star means number of stars that we want, that is 5, or we can write 10. So we will get as per that. So here I had written 5 and then close this. After that we are going to come to main activity.java, and here we have to initialize all our data. So first is text view, and that text view is a text rating. So here I am writing text ratings. After there is rating bar. So rating bar, and after give its rating bar, and now we are going to cast it in onCreate. So here is our onCreate method, and in that we have to cast it. So text ratings is equal to find view by id r dot id dot text ratings, and then same for rating. So rating bar is equal to find view by id r dot id dot ratings bar, and then close that. And as we implement onClick listener on our button to show that is we got click or not, we are going to implement on rating change listener. So first rating bar dot set on rating bar change listener, as I had said you, new of on rating bar change, and if it is changed then we are going to change our text, that is text ratings dot set text, and here we are going to set the text as ratings r, and then give it some space and then write ratings. So by this you will generate a ratings bar in Android Studio in our main layout. So when you change this rating from, let me show you here. So here in design part, so here you can see that our layout, but when you give ratings to our rating bar, then it will change, this Android tutorial second will change to the ratings that you implement in this bar. So thanks for watching this Android tutorial, and if you had learned something new, then don't forget to like and share this Android tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Android tutorials. And if you had not watched our wallpaper app in Android Studio using Pixels API, then you can check it out. All the playlists are in the I button. And we had also created image to text scanner application and converted a website to an Android app. So if you had not don't watch, then subscribe our channel and watch that complete playlist. Thanks for watching.